the Nourishing Home on Wheels with PFP Mobile Kitchen in partnership with DSWD. This is one of the meaningful activities of the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 9 in celebration of the Fire Prevention Month. This initiative reflects not only our commitment to fire safety, but also our dedication to community service and compassion, especially to our young generation.
Hello. Hi, kids. Para bahagi ang aming isang buwan na pagkita ng Fire Prevention Month, naging habit na ng Peter Unite na paghanap sa gawa ng aktibidad na ito, any act of kindness para maging makabuluhan ang pagkulita natin sa pag-serve